In this Quiltler tutorial, I will be explaining how to export and share your quilt design. So I'm going to start by selecting the downward facing arrow at the top, which is the export and share button. And I'm going to work my way through all of these different options. To start, I'm going to select Save Playground. And your quilt design is always automatically saved when you leave the app. But if you feel better about selecting a save option, this is where you would do it. So I'm going to select Save Playground. And up at the top, I'm going to select Playgrounds. And this is where your quilt design is saved. So I'm going to go back into my chevron quilt and select that same export and share option. And next, I'm going to go over the export and share. In here, you can save your quilt design as an image. You can send it as a text message or an email, or upload it to Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest. And I'm going to exit out of there and select the export and share option again. From here, I'm going to show you how to import your quilt as a block. So I'm going to select Import as Fabric. And I'm going to name this block Chevron. And I will select Done. From here, you can save that block into a collection, or if I select Done, I'm going to show you where that is saved to. So I'm going to go into my Design Center, and I'm going to go to Imported. And you can see that block is now saved as an imported block right here. And I'm going to select Done. And then up at the top, I'm going to select it one last time, the Export and Share option. And I'm going to show you how to view your quilt in RealSpace AR. And this option gives you an idea of how big your quilt's going to be. So this quilt is very small, and that kind of just shows you how big it's going to be when you're finished. So I'm going to select Back. And that is how you export and share your quilt design.